Welcome to today's discussion about a delicious option from KFC. Today, we are focusing on the KFC Grilled Chicken Drumstick. This menu item is a protein-packed choice that offers a different experience compared to the traditional fried chicken. Many people are looking for healthier alternatives when it comes to fast food. The KFC Grilled Chicken Drumstick is a great option for those who want to enjoy the taste of chicken without the extra calories that come from frying. It is cooked on the grill, which gives it a unique flavor and keeps it juicy. Grilling chicken allows the natural flavors to shine through. The KFC Grilled Chicken Drumstick has a smoky taste that many people love. This cooking method also helps to retain the moisture in the chicken, making every bite tender. One of the standout features of this drumstick is its high protein content. Protein is an essential nutrient that our bodies need. It helps build and repair tissues. It is also necessary for making enzymes and hormones. Choosing the grilled option is a smart way to increase your protein intake. In addition to being high in protein, the KFC Grilled Chicken Drumstick is lower in fat compared to fried chicken. When chicken is fried, it absorbs oil, which adds unnecessary calories and fat. The grilling process eliminates this extra oil. This means you can enjoy the drumstick without feeling guilty. Another benefit of the KFC Grilled Chicken Drumstick is that it's a convenient option. Whether you're on the go or enjoying a meal at home, this drumstick is easy to eat. It comes with a bone, making it perfect for a quick snack or a full meal. Pairing the KFC Grilled Chicken Drumstick with your favorite sides can create a complete meal. It goes well with mashed potatoes, coleslaw, or even a fresh garden salad. The versatility of this dish means you can enjoy it in many different ways. If you are trying to eat healthier, this drumstick can fit well into your meal plan. It's a great option for those who are watching their calorie intake but still want to enjoy a tasty meal. KFC has always been known for its unique flavors and quality ingredients. The grilled chicken is no exception. Each drumstick is seasoned with a special blend of spices that enhances the taste. The simplicity of the seasoning allows the grilled flavor to stand out. For those who enjoy variety, KFC offers other grilled options as well. You can explore different cuts of chicken or even try their grilled chicken sandwiches. This means you can enjoy a healthier meal without getting bored with your choices. In conclusion, the KFC Grilled Chicken Drumstick is a delicious and nutritious option for anyone looking to enjoy chicken without the frying. It packs a healthy dose of protein while keeping the fat content lower. So, next time you visit KFC, consider trying the Grilled Chicken Drumstick. It is a tasty way to satisfy your cravings while making a healthier choice. Thank you for your time watching this. Like and subscribe for future content.